From the class of 2001, our final performer for this evening was the recipient of the Lady Fairfax New York Scholarship for 2014. He has performed for a plethora of theatre companies, including the Melbourne Opera, the Victorian Opera, and the Western Australian Opera companies. He's going to entertain us with a light selection to demonstrate his great range and his talent. And his mother reminded me early on that he had his start in singing through Mrs. Todd and Les Miserables. So we have a great deal to thank everybody for. Can you please put your hands together to welcome Thomas Strong.
Impossible dream to fight the unbeatable foe, to bear with unbearable sorrow, to run where the brave dare not go, to right the unrightable wrong, to love pure and chaste from afar. Try when your arms are too weary to reach the unreachable star. This is my quest to follow that star, no matter how hopeless, no matter how far. To fight for the right without question or pause, to be willing to march into hell on earth.
When I'm laid to my rest.